Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
Wow.
Whoa, was right, huh? Woo.
Wow.
Pow, pow. Pow, pow. Pow, pow. Woo. Man, they make it easy, look really easy in the GoPro commercials, but the truth is, this shit's a lot of work.
It sure is.
Woo. Let's go this way.
Nature's obstacles, the trees.
Woo. Through here?
No way.
What do you think? Oh.
Call it a safety call.
Yeah, baby. Jump for the tree wells. Yeah, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Watch out for those tree wells. Whoa, tree well.
Whoa.
See that tree well?
Yeah.
Woohoo! She's getting away from me.
What a ride.
Wow.
And it's like eighth of the way down, maybe.
Through the trees again? Go that way?
Okay. Oh wait, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna make it up that way. I think we're gonna have to go down a little.
Down a little bit?
Speed.
All right, let's do it. To the trees. Nice and slow, because we don't like to hit shit anymore. Yeah, baby, we got this. Woo! Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Whoa.
Come on, you can make it.
So deep.
Yeah. I can't see my board. Oh shit. Whoa. Holy shnikes.
Oh my god. That's so much fun.
Whoa. Woohoo is right. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, mama. Oh my gosh.
That's a lot of work.
That's a lot of work. Wow. That was incredible though, huh?
That was really cool.
Yeah, let's go this way.
It's just us trucking on our little trail.
Yep. Trail for the two of us.